Sister, it's great to have you back on this show.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I know, but this is your first time. Are you always a guest? First time as co-host, yeah?
The pressure's on.
No pressure. We just want to talk story. We really are. But what we want to do is, it's a brand new year, and I would love for our viewers to catch up with you and find out what's happening. What's the scoops with Mālia Sanders? Now, just so that you folks know, she's a graduate of the Kamehameha Schools and the University of Hawaii West Oahu, selected as a Pacific Century Fellow and named one of Hawaii's 20 for the next 20 by Hawaii Business Magazine last year. That's big accolade, sister.
Yeah.
Also, the past president of the Hawaiian Civic Club. Now you're stepping into a new role, is that correct?
Yes, the immediate past president.
You are the immediate past president of Hawaiian Civic Club of Honolulu, and also executive director of NAHHA. And she was recently named to the board of directors of
the American Indigenous Tourism Association.
AITA. Yeah.
AITA,
Is
yes.
that what they call it? Okay, perfect. Now, what does that last one entail?
I sit on the board for the Hawaii region, and this is an all-indigenous board throughout the entire United States. And we serve in tourism capacity, trying to uplift indigenous communities that want to engage in tourism.
Has that been an easy thing for Hawaii, though?
It hasn't.
I mean, and we're trying to really, especially now, right? We're trying to really separate the kitschy, the Hawaii that many people think they know versus the Hawaii that is the true, actual cultural Hawaii, right?
Yes, that, and also trying to engage our local communities and our Native Hawaiian organizations into tourism that moves beyond the methodology of regenerative tourism into the actual execution of it.
Yeah. So, and that's a lot of the work that you also do as part of NAHHA,
yes,
right?
Yes.
So what's coming up for NAHHA in 2026?
So we're very fortunate to receive a grant from the Office of Hawaiian Affairs, and we're going to be starting 2 cohort programs this year, revisiting regenerative tourism sort of for what's relevant for right now, and doing a little bit of research and realizing what are the barriers, what are the pieces of red tape that we have to sort of cut through, who are the players, who are our ambassadors or leads in zoning and permitting and those kinds of things.
Kind of your advocates,
right?
Right,
champions of those things.
Correct.
Who can help us navigate these spaces for the community. Yeah.
And I know that we've got this new legislative session in place. What is it that you would want our viewers, or you would want Hawaii to really look at in regards to Hawaii and tourism hand in hand?
I think having a better benefit for our local community to engage with tourism in ways that benefit them, and also considering their capacity. I mean, small mom and pop organizations are not going to be able to execute the same tour 7 days a week, 5 times a day. And so looking at that capacity and saying, this is what AINA can sustain, this is what the community can sustain, and just looking for champions to help us, push forward, try to get through some of these barriers.
Oh yeah, absolutely, sis. Now we do have an event coming up, right?
We do. So this coming Saturday,
yes,
we are partnered with the MGF Foundation and also the Royal Hawaiian Center. We were going to do Hula Kalikimaka this coming Saturday. It is a repositioning of an event that got canceled when we had the heavy rains.
Right.
And so we're rebooting that, and it's a donation to the Hawaii Food Bank. So we're asking people to come out to Royal Hawaiian Center this coming weekend.
Beautiful, and it's a hula makahiki ho now, right?
Yes.
I love it. Hula, music, all that kind of good stuff, and of course, a wonderful way to support the Hawaii Food Bank.
Yes.
Sister, you do so much. You really need to sleep. I mean, in fact, maybe we can get one robot that can do some of the things that you do. Because have you seen what they're doing now in China?
Yes, I heard about it. This is insane.
This is so crazy. I tell you this, the company A-I-MOGA is powering life-size RoboCops to help police in China direct traffic, vehicular and pedestrian traffic around the clock. Now, the humanoid officers wear reflective vests and white caps, just like human police, and correct citizens on the spot, saying stuff like, for your safety, please ride bicycles in the non-motorized lane. They do that, of course, in Chinese. Or they stop pedestrians from walking against the light. Yeah.
Equipped with high-definition cameras and intelligent voice broadcasting systems, the robots used AI algorithms to automatically detect violations. It's also fully mobile and able to autonomously travel to designated locations on command.
I don't know, Sister. This stuff is getting freaky. I watch too much movies, that's why, where AI goes nuts. So here's a question for you. What's the scoops with you? What issues are important to you when it comes to Hawaiian culture and regenerative tourism? And should Hawaii get RoboCops for traffic control?
I don't know. I can see some places where I can think it might be pretty cool. Let us know by sending us an email at islandlifelive@kitv.com or post a comment directly to this video on our YouTube page. Just search KITV.
That's right.